Why does your scanner show the P2282 engine code? What does it mean? P2282 is a diagnostic trouble code for air leak between throttle body and intake valves. This engine code indicates that ECM or PCM is detecting more airflow into the engine than expected, likely due to a leak somewhere in the intake system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Vacuum leaks, throttle body issues, PCV valve problems, MAP sensor, MAF sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This can be found in other makes and models, including Vauxhall, Chevrolet, Suzuki, Saturn, and even Sea-Doo watercraft. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.